Welcome to Chillin' 101. We hope this video helps.
You've opened your document and you're ready to change type size. First, select the exact text region you want to resize, click and drag, or press Ctrl+A, CMD+A on Mac to select everything. Once done, look to the toolbar at the top where the current font name and size are displayed. This is where you'll make the adjustment. Make sure the toolbar is visible. If you don't see it, click View and ensure the toolbar option is checked before proceeding. Now change the font size itself. Click the font size drop-down and either pick a preset size or type a specific number, for example 11, 14, or 18. Pressing Enter applies it. For faster tweaks, use keyboard shortcuts. Ctrl+Shift+ increases size stepwise and Ctrl+Shift+ reduces it. You can also highlight different paragraphs and set sizes independently to create hierarchy. Once applied, finish by reviewing the document visually and saving changes. Google Docs saves automatically, but make sure the layout looks balanced. If the font size doesn't apply, select the text and clear direct formatting with Ctrl+\, then try again. Sometimes pasted content carries stubborn styles. If spacing shifts, adjust line spacing or margins to compensate. For a quick preview without altering text, change the zoom level. This helps you confirm visual impact before sharing or printing. If problems persist, reload the page and retry the steps.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.